What's up guys, it's Slaughter from Visual Modo WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to on Canva create this professional looking photo design into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to our design, review the left sidebar of menus after choosing the size of the design that you need. Go to photos or upload a photo. I'm gonna select a previously made one, place it like this. Now I'm gonna move to elements, and on elements I'm gonna search for mockups. Once on mockups, I'm gonna choose iPhone in hand. I gotta search for iPhone in hand. There is a couple of elements. I like this one right here, so click on it. Let me drag just like this to make it a little bigger. I think this way is okay. Now I'm gonna click into the image on the background, right click over it, click on duplicate. The duplicate I'm gonna drag and drop inside the phone, just like this. You can double click the phone to adjust the image in the way that you need, okay? All up to you. I think this way is okay, but you can apply any change that you wish. For example, alignment or flipping, or a smart crop in the case that you wish, maybe a fit, all up to you, okay? Then click into the image on the background and click on edit. On edit, scroll down until you find an option on effects called blur. Change from brush to whole image, and let's choose something like 50. Just like this. You can click into the X button to close, and here is the final result. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!